Here is a man walking on a rope in Lagos, CMS, precisely. This morning, Thursday, 16th November 2023. Dead, obviously. But, yeah. He's almost there. So this man, I saw him from the other side of the road. He actually walked. That's the train track. Over the train track, over the bridge. You see, that's as far as where he's coming from, and here he is, still on his way. I just actually looked up now and I found that there are guys at Sterling Bank that are on top of the building, and our guy here is getting closer to the finishing line. He's getting there. Whoa, he's almost there. Yeah, he did it. He did it. Yeah, you can see the cheers of the crowd. Quite exciting moment this morning. Yeah, he did it. Yeah.